Asus has been one of the top laptop manufacturing brands in the world and as well as in India with their series of productivity based machines and gaming behemoths. And today here we have with us the latest 10th generation based Asus Vivobook S15 laptop. This glammy looking laptop costs around 85,000 and it is available on Amazon and Asus offline stores and other third-party offline stores as well. This laptop costs you around 85,000 but the box mentioned price is around 93,900. This product comes in three brilliant looking colors: the transparent silver, punk pink and also the moss green. Although I was a huge fan of moss green, we have the transparent silver version with us here today. Right inside the surface of the box we get this In Search of Incredible Asus branding lines, and also we have the charger which is present in the right edge of the pouch inside the box itself, and also we have some paperwork which is present under the laptop where it was kept. And this paperwork actually is very important as it mentions how to use the Screenpad 2.0, that is the second screen that is present on your laptop's trackpad. And also we have some warranty information guide, SAR values and a user guide CD which comes inside the box. This laptop Asus Vivobook S15 comes with the normal Asus proprietary laptop charger and not a USB Type-C based chargers which we see on MacBooks. With that said, this laptop charger is a fast charging supported 65 watt power brick which can pop up your laptop battery from 0 to 60% in around 50 minutes, which is quite impressive for a laptop which is kind of an ultrabook. Why I said ultrabook is because this is a premium glam machine. It is a completely metal built premium looking laptop which has all its money put on the looks and feel of this device and less on the graphics and performance side of it. As you can see on the back surface we have this 4 rubber pad for better grip and also we have the cooling vents. And this laptop Asus Vivobook S15 comes in two different variations with Screenpad 2.0 technology, one with the 10th generation Core i5 1021U and another with the Core i7 10510U processor. Both of these processors are based on Intel's 14nm Comet Lake architecture and not on the modern Ice Lake 10nm architecture which has better battery efficiency. This model that we have here today has the Screenpad 2.0 technology, the latest updated version of the Screenpad that Asus gave on their previous generation of Vivobook laptops. The model that I have here today is a Core i7 model with the 15 watt CPU with hyper-threading which has a base speed of 1.8 GHz and the turbo boost of up to 4.9 GHz. The model that I have is the 8 GB RAM and also 512 GB of NVMe based SSD. It is extremely fast. As you can see, some of the specifications of this laptop has been mentioned. It says the audio has been tuned by Harman Kardon speakers. It has the Ergo Lift hinge which auto tilts for typing comfort. It has the Nano Edge display with less bezels. This is the Screenpad 2.0 technology. How useful is it? We will see later. It has the 10th generation Core i7 processor and also Nvidia's MX250 graphic card, which is a 2 GB dedicated graphic card. Let me take this out of the way and let's give some more information to you guys about the machine itself. The Vivobook S15 is thin and light. It helps you to lighten the load and it is ultra portable which can be simply slipped into your backpack. It weighs in at just 1.8 kilograms and has 18mm of overall laptop thickness. And when we talk about the build of this laptop, it is a complete metal build with this beautiful ergonomic hinge which actually lifts your laptop up to 3 degrees from the ground, which point 1 looks extremely cool, point 2 helps you to type easily without palm pain, and point 3 helps in better cooling efficiency of the laptop. Its precision engineering Ergo Lift hinge has a silky smooth dual action which actually holds the display securely at any angle and slightly tilts the keyboard up to 3 degrees to give you a perfect typing position on any surface you keep this laptop on. Now coming to the ports on this machine, unlike most Windows laptops, this one has its ports on the right hand side of the laptop. We have only two normal sized USB Type A ports on the left hand side. We have a DC power inlet on the right hand side, the HDMI port, USB 3.1, 5 gigabits per second normal sized USB port, the Type C port, the combo of the audio and microphone 3.5mm headphone jack, and also we have the micro SD card slot. We would have liked actually a full sized SD card slot, which would have helped the creators as well. Now coming to the screen of this laptop, it is a 15.6 inches IPS LCD display with a standard resolution of Full HD, that is 1920 x 1080 resolution, and it is a non-reflective finish of the display. It is a four-sided nano edge design which is frameless, almost bezel-less, with a lot of screen real estate in a small package, and it is extremely immersive in the visuals that it can put out. It has just 5.2mm of bezels, and it is 88% screen to body ratio, and also it has a 178-degree wide viewing angle. Now coming to the Screenpad 2.0. This Screenpad 2.0 is a screen that is present on the surface of the trackpad, which is a glass surface which acts as a secondary display which helps you in a lot of cool things, from multitasking to multi-windows to app spinning. This keyboard of the laptop is a normal size keyboard with a dedicated number pad, which a lot of people are going to appreciate. And also the arrow keys are well spaced out. There is a convenient shortcut to toggle the function key for the top arrow, so you can choose between the standard function keys behavior and as well as the quick system shortcuts. We also like the stiff power button, which is actually difficult to press accidentally. There is around 1 to 1.1mm of key travel for a pretty good typing experience, although I would have liked a much larger 1.5mm of key travel, and also it has backlighting for the laptop as well, which helps in the darker conditions. Straight out of the box, this laptop had absolutely no charge in it, so I had to plug in the adapter immediately after the unboxing process. Then, the setting up of this laptop is actually pretty simple, but you know, it is extremely time consuming. It literally took me around 30 minutes of precious time to set up this laptop and enter the home screen of this machine, as I had to enter the Microsoft account, the password, the OTPs, spoke to Cortana, the assistant which we might never ever meet again or use on this laptop, agreed to tens and hundreds of terms and conditions Microsoft pushes down your throat to make you understand that they are gathering your data to actually send you personalized communications. And absolutely after 30 minutes of hassle, I set up this machine finally, and I actually went in. The overall unboxing experience of a laptop also includes the amount of time it takes you to boot the laptop and go to your home screen and do your thing. Anyways, this unboxing experience too was actually not hassle-free, because it took me around 35 to 40 minutes to just go into the laptop. Straight after booting this laptop, this Screenpad 2.0 is the unique selling point. Yes, this is the USP of this whole laptop. It is actually adding a second interactive touchscreen display which actually enhances your productivity with more possibilities. It is actually intuitive like a smartphone interface which helps you to manage your tasks, create your own seamless multitasking experience. It has a lot of features like app switcher, mode switch, adding your apps, app navigator, task group, quick key, handwriting, number key, and more things which is listed in the documentation. But why is this actually needed? Once or twice during my setup process, this Screenpad actually froze, and also we had a lot of trouble to getting used to the gestures and remembering its range of capabilities that Screenpad 2.0 actually offers. All of these capabilities or all of these features were also not explained in the tutorial video that pops up on your screen telling you to watch it even though you don't want to. But one thing that I really liked about the secondary display, that is the Screenpad 2.0, is that you can do everything that you can do on a normal screen. Refresh, add, delete, close, edit, copy, paste, and everything else that application supports on the normal screen. So if you are a kind of multitasker who need this kind of small display, then maybe this Vivobook S15 is for you. And I'm damn sure this is a head-turning feature, and I'm sure this will actually add to the glam factor of this machine, and people would ask you which laptop you're using just by glancing it. Overall, the usability aspect of the Screenpad 2.0 is limited in my initial testing, or there are more things on the other side of the Screenpad 2.0 which we might discover after more testing of this machine, or the more time we spend with this machine, more things we can discover about it. Now coming to the performance of this machine, it is a Core i7 10th generation laptop with the NVIDIA GeForce MX 250 2GB graphic card. Performance of this machine is extremely good. Even though it is an ultrabook, the premium looks and finish is the main agenda over here, but the real world performance is 9 out of 10 pointer. In similarly priced machines, the performance might be better, but they are also heavier and thicker and also not so good looking. The SSD performance was also pretty fast with great read and write speeds. The graphics performance with the NVIDIA GeForce MX 250 GPU is good enough for basic games, basic levels of photo editing, video editing on tools like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe XD, Adobe After Effects and many more. You might be able to enjoy all the basic games. When it comes to high-end titles, you might have to drop the resolution and frame rates and quality levels of the games that you have to play. And you might easily get a decent 30 FPS in your gaming as well. The speakers on this laptop is tuned by Harman Kardon for a crispy, clear sound output. The overall sound system has a high quality, detailed audio, which is okayish in my opinion. Hear it for yourself and let me know what are your thoughts about the speakers. Overall, the screen, the display quality, the edge-to-edge panel, the full HD resolution, the HDR support and the fit and finish of this laptop, the premiumness, the matte finish, the logo placement and everything else when it comes to the beauty factor of this laptop is actually what wowed me. Everything else in terms of performance, in terms of keyboard and in terms of the Screenpad 2.0 usability, the battery life and everything else is just okayish. This laptop is for someone who actually looks for portability, looks and comfort. This is not a completely performance based laptop. If you are a gaming professional, if you are a high-end video editing professional, if you are a photo editing professional, if you are someone who is looking to make this laptop as your daily driver for video editing, photo editing, professional level color grading and many other things as such, you might have to look for other options. But this laptop is for business professionals. This laptop is for people who want to get things done easily, quickly and with portability as the main standpoint. This laptop also comes with Windows 10 Home out of the box, which is pre-activated original version of Windows with a lot of Windows based features such as Windows Hello for IR based facial recognition. Yes, this laptop has IR camera that is present on the top bezel, which has hands-free facial logging. That means you can log into Asus Vivobook S15 just by looking at it. Advanced biometrics that can work seamlessly with Windows Hello technology to wake up your laptop just with a simple look. And when it comes to other features such as network, it has a faster connection to the networks with Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax. It has 3 times faster Wi-Fi and it has 4 times network capacity with 75% lesser latency. It also has the latest Bluetooth 5.0. That means you can connect to your latest Bluetooth gadgets without any hassle. So overall, what is my verdict of this machine? Asus is actually trying to push the flagship features, the premium features into its more accessible models. The next premium looking, premium feeling laptop that you can find on Asus is ZenBook Duo, which comes with 2 different displays, which costs you more than a lakh. And this laptop costs you around 75 to 85,000 rupees depending upon when you are purchasing this laptop and where you are purchasing it from. You can actually get many more powerful laptops with this price range. So you have to decide among yourselves. You want performance, you want looks. If you want looks, go for this laptop. If you want performance, look for something else. So that's it for this video, guys. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more interesting content ahead. Thank you for watching, guys.